How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to LIEBS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Radio, English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 3. And our today's topic is write in numbers. Dear students, this is the first class for you in mathematics of 2021 session. Okay, let us start our today's class. Dear students, in mathematics we use total 10 symbols, these 10 symbols for writing any number. Using these 10 symbols we can write any large number. If we want to write 8, then we use this symbol. For writing 6, we use this symbol. And using this symbol, we can write 9. Okay. This is one digit number. Now, the students, I want to write 10, which is greater than 9. But there is no symbols by which we can write 10. So, we have to use two symbols from here for writing 10. And we put two symbols in two places. This is ones place and this is tens place. And for writing 10, we write the smallest significant digit in tens place. Here 1 to 9. This 9 symbol is called significant digit, and from the significant digit 1 is the smallest significant digit. So we will write 1 in tens place and we will write 0 in ones place. Okay. Now if we want to write 11, that means 1 more than 10, then we can just change the digit of ones place. Here instead of 0, if we write 1, then this express 11. This is express 11. If we want to write 12, just we can change the symbol of ones place. Here instead of 1, we can write 2. And in this process, we can write up to 90. For symbolizing 90, we can write 9 in ones place. Now, if we want to write 20, we have no any other digit which is greater than 9. So, what can we do now? We have to change the digit of tens place. That means instead of 1, now we have to write 2 here. In tens place we have to write 2, and in ones place we have to write 0. And for expressing 21, just we have to change the digit of ones place. Instead of 0 we can write 1, then it will be 21. If we write 2 in ones place, then it will be 22. And in this process we can write the numbers up to 99. And if we want to write 100, then we have to take another place which name is hundreds place. Okay, if we write 120, then in hundreds place we can just write 1. That means 1 to 0. By this we can symbolize 120. Okay, dear students, now we will write these numbers using the symbols. Here first number is 135. 135. So here highest place is hundreds place. So we have to take total 3 places. This is hundreds place, this is tens place, and this is ones place. In hundreds place we have to write 1 because 100. 1 in hundreds place. Now 35, that means 3 will come in tens place and 5 will come in ones place. 135. Now, 2 number 476. Here, highest place also, 100 place is the highest place. So, we have to take 3 place. 1, 2, 3. And in 100 place, 4 will come. 476. That means in 10's place 7 will come and 6 will come in 1's place. Now 801 here, highest place also 100, so we have to take 10's place, total 3 place. 1, 2, 3. In 100's place 8 will come and 801, 1's place 1 will come. Here 10's place is blank, so in 10's place we have to give 0. 801. Now 2159. Here highest place is 1000's place. So we have to take total 4 place. 1's place, 10's place, 100's place and 1000's place. This place for 1000's place, this is for 100's place, this is for 10's place and this is for 1's place. Now here 2000, that means in 1000's place we have to write 2. Now 100, in 100's place we have to write 1 and 59, that means in 10's place 5 have to write and 9 have to write in 1's place. 2159. Now 5 number 8210. 8210. Here highest place is 1000's place, so we have to take total 4 place. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here 8000. So in 1000's place we have to write 8 and 200. That means in 100's place we have to write 2 and 10. So in 1's place we have to write 1. Sorry, 10's place we have to write 1 and in 1's place we have to write 0. Now 6 number 3010. Here highest place is 1000's place, so we have to take 4 place. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is for 1000's place, this is 100's place, this is 10's place and this is 1's place. Now in 1000's place we have to write 3. 3000. 3000 and 1. That means in 1's place we have to write 1. Here 10's place and 100's place are blank, so we have to write 0 in 10's place and also have to write 0 in, sorry, have to write 0 in 100's place and also have to write 0 in 10's place. This is 3001. Now 9647. 9000. This is for 1000's place, this for 100's place, this for 10's place and this for 1's place. In 1000's place we have to write 9. 9600. In 100's place have to write 6 and 47. That means 4 have to write in 10's place and 7 have to write in 1's place. Now last one, 8 number 7060. 1000's place exists, so have to write, we have to take total 4 place. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In 1000's place we have to write 7. 7060. In 10's place we have to write 6 and in 1's place we have to write 0. Here 100's place is blank, so we have to give 0 in 100's place. Okay, dear students, we have finished our today's class. I hope you have understood today's class. I hope you have already got your new book. So start with the study. Thank you for watching the class. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.